Okay, so today is Sunday, May 15th, 2022. It's about 10:40 a.m. and we're going to do a startup of the Carrier Comfort for 2022. Note that this is not the first startup. I would have done the first startup last Friday, but my mom turned on the Comfort that day and I was sick that day as well, so I couldn't film it. So this won't sound like a first startup, but it's better than nothing, I guess. So I'm gonna go put my camera up here. And here's the unit running. This unit has a Broad Ocean fan motor and a focus. That's cold and sweaty. That's outdoor temperature. 2020 2-ton 13 Sierra. I will do a cleaning of this unit probably next week. And round one I'll probably turn on either later today or next weekend. I don't know for sure. So, guess over and out.